What's up, everybody? Today, man, I couldn't wait this day. Today, I'm gonna finally be putting everything back. The front bumper, the carbon lip. I got my bumpers painted already. It's ready for show. And I cannot wait to start this already. So, let's get to this video. Alright, here it is. Finally got the front bumper painted. Got the rear bumper already. Yo, we ready. I just gotta clean it. It's a little dusty. But yo, I cannot wait. Can't wait. This shit gonna look crazy. I gotta put back the back wing. And then after that, I'm gonna be doing the tires. I still haven't even done the tire stickers. I'm gonna get that done ASAP. Bro, this shit's gonna look crazy. Yeah. Sorry. Let's start building this right now. Alright. Got the canars. Got the screws. Yo, just by looking at it right now, it should look crazy. With the carbon fiber. Yo, this paint makes it look so nice. With the carbon fiber lip and the canars. Bro, I can't wait. So let's do this shit right now. Alright. Outside. Pull the screen. Alright, so we gotta be putting these screws or these bolts on like each hole. There's like probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10 of them. 10 of them. Yeah, because this lip is apart. So right there. This lip is apart. And now I'm putting it back together with the bolts. And this is how it looks from the back. Yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Lip is done. Alright, I got that done. Yo, how? Yo, don't like I'm speechless right now. Like, yo, it looks so crazy. It looks really nice on it. What you guys think? What you guys think? I'm thinking in the future I'm gonna put a splitter behind under the lip. I'm gonna put a splitter. Alright, so I'm gonna start installing this right now. Let's get it. Alright, we about to start the curl up. That was starting like in a month. Look at the interior. Yeah, look clean, clean. All right.
Report me.
Nobody recording you.
When you report me, take me out of the video.
All right, let's go.
Can you teach me how to drive it, babe?
Hold up. Oh, yeah, that almost they didn't want it to turn on. You heard it, right?
I can't wait to get out here.
Tank is too low. All right. Yeah, tank is too low. I gotta wait till it gets more air in the tank. No, you gotta wait. I gotta wait. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna yo the bumper looks so nice. So I got my girl recording me so I can see. Come here. Alright. Wow, how'd that look? Wow. That looks really, really nice. Oh my god. Let's see. Yo, what you guys think? This look crazy. Wow.
How about that? Right there.
What?
Right there.
What?
Don't fix it. Right there in that corner, right there.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna fix the corner. I just I just slapped it on quick. I just wanted to see how it would look. Wow, this should look amazing. Oh, we're not stopping. We still gotta build this car. We got a lot of work to do today. So let's get it. Let's get it. Gotta get ready for a show. All right. All right. Now that I got the front bumper done, I'm gonna install my rear bumper. Slap that on, and then I'm gonna have my girlfriend screw in the spoiler because this is heavy. You need like two people. Like for me, like I need two people to hold the spoiler and to screw in the bolts. So, all right, let's get it. We ain't gonna waste no more time.
Miguel brainstormed it inside.
Alright.
I'm gonna cry, oh my god.
Alright, so just install the wing. And I'm just testing. 'Cause I don't want this shit moving in the highway when I'm speeding 80, 90, 100 miles per hour. Alright, good.
Papa? Dale un fuerte. Pinta la boca. Está saliendo los dientes, ¿verdad?
Nice. So what you guys think? That looked really nice. Let me take a quick picture for this. Alright guys, so that's how it looks right now. Man, this looks so nice. With the bumper painted. This is official. It's ready for show. It's ready for show. Now I just gotta get the my 3-piece wheels. I'm putting the tire stickers. I'm gonna vlog. That's gonna be for my next video because I don't want this video to be long. But tell me what you guys think. Man, that looks so nice. That looks really nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, turn your bell notifications so you guys won't miss any videos. I'm trying, you know, post every 2 weeks. Keep you guys updated. See what's my next step doing on this car. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Yep, and that's it pretty much. That's it. Man, I just love the way the car looks right now. Alright. See you next time.